Yeah, on the '08 Sonata, the transmission filter, went ahead and picked one up. Show you what I got from O'Reilly's. Other auto parts stores could have it too. Let me show you the one I got. Okay. All right. Regular filter. Okay. Gasket. Filter. It's like that. It's about $23. Okay. So yeah, I have that full. All right. So that's the filter, and you would think it would just go in the front. See there, the pan. Okay, right where the dipstick goes in. Okay, that looks like a regular transmission filter, you know, a pan where the filter would be behind it. Okay, under the battery, of course. But what I found out is the filter is internal, is inside. I called the dealership, and so when I called the dealership, they asked for the VIN number, gave it to them, and they said, yeah, there's no filter for you to change. It's on internal. It's inside. So, you know, the pan looks like other cars with the automatic tranny, you know, where you could change a filter out. You know, like my van, you know, stuff like that. You just change it easily. That's what it looked like. So, yeah. So, like I said, the dealership said, you know, don't worry about it. It's inside. So, yeah. So there's no filter, even though you can buy one at the store there. Like you know, no problem. So, I don't know. So just letting you know, yeah, there's no on the Hyundai. I'm sure the other models are like the same. If you're concerned about it, you know, just call your local dealership and go ahead and give them the VIN number. That's all. And yeah. So all right. Hey, thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe. It's not that tough to do. So all right, take care. Bye now.